In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock people on Facebook. It's quite simple and easy. Just follow these steps I'm about to show you. So when you open your Facebook app, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Blocking. So as you can see here, I have blocked someone. All you have to do is tap that one and unblock that person. And that person will now be able to see your news feed again. So the other ways to do it is just click on the search button on the upper right. Just search for blocked people and just tap that one, and there you have it. You can now unblock everyone. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on my next one. Thanks for watching.